northern goshawk. It's the one bird you don't want to meet this spring. I've only got a moment before that goshawk chases me out of here. He's not going to let me linger. Northern goshawk is an accipiter. That's a family of hawks that also has sharp-chinned hawk and Cooper's hawk in it, that has relatively short wings and long tail. That makes them fast but maneuverable. So they're very good at flashing through the woods, and nobody is better than that than a goshawk. They can fly through the woods without hitting anything, except you. They will hit you, and it will draw blood. Like a lot of northern birds, they actually spread through North America, across the Arctic over to Europe and Asia. So there are northern goshawks over there too. Ours don't get much south of Canada. They come into Maine, they come down the Appalachians and the Rockies along the ridge lines. That's about it. It's a northern bird. Northern goshawks are very secretive. You don't usually see them except when they're around the nest, because boy do they raise the alarm. And that's the point. If you get near their nest, there is no bird in North America more ferocious in protecting its nest than that one. So I was able to get close enough to the nest before the goshawk saw me to know there was at least one youngster in there. It was all white, stood about that high. Couldn't see if there were others because it was about time to run for my life.